Thawdok pa siya, Lord. Ipipin na lang kanina. Ay, maong pa paruin.
Very disheartening news today. I'm for the entire country. One Air India flight, London-bound, England-bound flight has met an accident, and then I am here today at Nganthoy Sharma's house. I met the family, and then from Manipur itself, one Nganthoy Sharma and one Singson, young ladies who were cabin crew members of the Indian Airlines. I am here at Nganthoy's family. I was consolidating the family. The mother, the father is, having a episode of breakdown. Only 22, 23 years old girl, and the entire community is very disheartening. It's around my, my house. So I think we have talked to the government officials here in Manipur. They are also haven't got the confirmation yet either she passed away with the accident or not. But we are awaiting, and then we are hoping the family and the entire relatives, the entire well-wishers are hoping that she comes out fine, and then we have asked the airlines as well. They have not given confirmation yet, but let's see, let's hope for the best. And then those who have passed away, those who are confirmed at the moment, from my side also, from our people's side also, we are people who have passed away. I think we are very sorry for that, and then may their soul rest in peace. Thank you.
In the crew list of the ill-fated flight is a young woman from Manipur. So big update there, viewers. Khanghwdna Sharma of Thawbal was part of the 12-member crew. So big update coming in at this point in time after the horrific news. So in the crew list of the ill-fated flight is a young woman from Manipur. So Khanghwdna Sharma of Thawbal district in Manipur was part of the 12-member crew. So there you can see the picture of the girl from Manipur. So big update coming in at this point in time. So in the crew list of the ill-fated flight, along with the 241 passengers, is a young woman from Manipur. So Khanghwdna Sharma of Thawbal was part of the 12-member crew. So two from Northeast were part of the crew. We are getting reports. So one is a young woman from Manipur. All right, so one from Northeast were among the part of the crew member. So young woman from Manipur, Khanghwdna Sharma of Thawbal district of Manipur was part of the 12-member crew.